Direct replacement. This window regulator roller is designed to match the fit and function of the original part on specified vehicles. Restores functionality. Reliable replacement for a roller that has failed due to wear. Durable construction. This part is made from quality materials to ensure reliable performance and long service life. Trustworthy quality, backed by a team of product experts in the United States and more than a century of automotive experience. Ensure fit. To make sure this part fits your exact vehicle, input your make, model and trim level into the garage tool. This window regulator roller is designed to match the fit and function of the original roller on specified vehicles, and is engineered for durability and reliable performance. Top reviews from the United States. Open packages are not acceptable. The parts from Dorman are great only if they arrive in closed, new, unopened package with missing parts.